Am I going to do this all in one take, Jack? Oh, let's give it a go. Hi, my name is Ben Marlow, filmmaker and director, and I've been in video production for almost 20 years. In that time, I've spent countless hours on YouTube watching reviews of bits of kit, doing tutorials. I quickly realised that I wanted to create a channel with shorter, sharper ways of getting this kind of information across and sharing some of the things I've learnt in my time in the industry.
Here's your tea, Ben. Here you go.
Oh, cheers, mate. Thank you. You stir it?
Yeah.
Yeah, I do, I suppose. 60-second film school was created to bring you news. What are we doing?
Reviews, tutorials, news.
Do you just want to do it?
I'll give it a go.
Go on, have a go. This is doing my head in, to be honest.
60-second film school, it's reviews, news, tutorials, everything the digital filmmaker wants and needs to know. How's that, Ben? Is that all right?
Absolutely nailed it, mate. Perfect, wicked. Edit that up. It's New Year's Eve. I'm off to the pub.